this is what we have so far. I hope yours is looking like this. And they're showing now to turn it around where you see like the steps of this upside down tree. And we want to take P11. P11 are stones. They're apricot colored stones. They are in this box. And it shows that we need to glue them along here and cover this edge from here to here. And on the next page, it shows we want to glue them up along this side and totally cover it. And also up along these steps and kind of fill it in so that when it's turned over, it'll be all covered in stone. And we also want it up these. So this will be a good place to use hot glue at. So I'm going to plug in my hot glue gun and get the gluing. Now we also need to glue stones along this entire side. The next thing they want is for us to put one of the small waterfalls in here along this wall. Probably about right here. Theirs looks a little closer to the wall. I think I'm actually going to wait on this and see exactly how that's placed. Theirs looks flat against the stone, but I have no space for this. So we might want to pop out a couple stones later to get this flush. And that would require a bunch in here, somewhere in here. So I think I'll wait, because I don't really, that's where it's level. And it can't flush with these stones. They didn't say anything about that. So I'm just going to wait on this for a bit and see where we go from there. Pointing out here, when you're gluing the stones here and here, you want to make sure they do not come up over this base or it will wobble. So one thing you can do is take your roller and slide across it, because you don't want any stones to come past this. And if you run out of stones, you can pull some from up here, because a lot of that won't be seen. You want to make sure those stones are below here. got one a little close.